The next principle we're going to discuss is the Objectivity Principle. And simply stated, what the Objectivity Principle means is that absolutely everything we do and we place inside of our financial system must have evidence supporting it. So absolutely everything that is recorded inside of the hotel that ends up being part of the financial statements, we must be able to prove it. So things like restaurant checks, folios, pay stubs, invoices, packing slips, purchase orders. When everyone in your hotel is asking you for these things as backup for your monthly submission for your accruals or for invoices or for payroll, they're not trying to make your life more difficult. They're just doing what they need to do because of the Objectivity Principle. And when auditors come to review your books, that's all they want to see is the evidence of what goes in to support the transactions that end up in your financial statement. So that's the Objectivity Principle.